Hi. Thank you guys. I actually got feedback that helped. Like, not to ground myself. Because I don't want to get electrocuted. And I knew that it could. And I even knew that anodes were a thing. I just didn't know where they were or how they worked. Thanks. So today, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to open up the TV and not electrocute myself. Let's do that. This TV's been unplugged for, I don't even know, a long time. I'm also going to avoid the whole tube area. I'm not going to try and discharge it today because I have jumper cables, but I don't have any big enough alligator clips that I can use to try other than my little wrist grounding, so I'm not going to risk that. Where are the other screws? Okay. So, here is my VHF UHF modulator thingy. It's still attached, so I want to run it through. I'm gonna unscrew this. This is really hard. Ooh, look at all that light. I don't know if that helps at all. So here's the VHF, UHF from the television. And I want to do a VHF, right? I don't know. What's the top part? Oh gosh. Thought that was metal. UHF is on the bottom. VHF is on the top. So I'm going to do VHF first. I'm just going to solder those straight on. They just line up, right? Yep. Okay, let's do it. So I don't need this whole case. Open. Okie dokie. I got more tools. That's a hand. Ow! I stepped on something. This is not really a hammer, but it does also have a hammer on it. Try and use this. So let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Why is this plastic so hard? Oh, there we go. Ooh, that soldering iron is getting hot. Okay. Wow, I just broke that board. So this might not work anymore. Okay. Well, let's see how this does. Oops. unplug the soldering iron so that I get to use it. I'll plug it into the TV. Make sure it doesn't go pop. Oh, it's plugged in. Okay. Here we go. Ow! Oh gosh. Oh, that's hot. Huh. Is it turning on? I don't know. You tell me. Hello? Oh, I didn't plug in the TV. Okay. Here's the other moment of truth. Ooh! So it is definitely not getting a signal. Oh, I think I thoroughly busted this. Oh yeah, I definitely did. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. So, I'll see what I can do. But I kind of broke the VHF modulator thingy a lot, all the way. So, I'll be right back. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll see you in a couple weeks. How do I turn the light back on? I don't know. I just put that straight into there. I'm gonna see if I can just skip a whole converter. Probably not. So let's see what happens. This will be fun. I'm so scared. Oh, it's a different noise. Oh, wait, not the right one though. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, that saves a lot of work. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try and stuff this inside now. Oh, something poked me really pokey. Okay. Okay. No, not come all the way. Okay. That's not original. I need to run away. Okay, those ones. Just run. There they go. Wait. Yes. Oh. Oh, that's so convenient. Cool. So I don't even need to use that cable. I can use any length of coax cable I want. I don't even need a converter. So my only coax is straight VHF. Okay. I'm gonna throw it all back inside the case. And we'll see how it looks. Alrighty. So I got it inside there. Next thing, I can shorten this coax cable to however short I want. Next episode, I'm gonna open this up and see if I can stuff that in there. I'm gonna try and take out that whole UFH module because I'm not gonna use it. And I should have room to put the Raspberry Pi right inside here. Thank you guys. You guys have actually been helping. So thank you so much. Keep letting me know what I'm doing wrong so I don't electrocute myself. I like that. And I like this. This is a lot of fun. So thanks, guys. See you next whenever. This is more than a week, but whatever. When I'm drunk, I'll do it, okay? Bye, I love you.